oigan, tengan buena paciencia.
So we woke up this morning and my mom said, oh, it's a nice day out, you should go for a bike ride.
You can't deceive me when you're playing round. That's what you've been doing and your feelings ain't sound. If you aim to tease me and throw me away, spring sadness is my bill to pay. Day breaks with sorrow and pain in my heart. I gambled with love and I didn't play smart. Too great were the chances, I lost all I had. Now spring sadness has got me so bad. If you're true to me, you don't want to let me free.
There is snow on the ground.
You want to let me be. I heard your explanation,
then we have to head up there on that road.
So never can I be free. Come fall, summer, winter, I'm feeling no pain.
There's a little bit more snow than I thought there would be.
My tears are like rain.
Not even that snowy, it's just like nerve-wracking because we're not in the top of our elevation.
Yeah.
Now if you're true to me, you don't want to let me free. No, you wouldn't want to let me be. I heard your explanation, but I can't fight temptation, so never can I be free.
Okay, we're now to the point where the road is almost entirely snow and in front of us looks no better.
Yes, I'll cry oceans of tears from my heart. Till this old sweet sadness lets us part.
Uh-oh. Alright. It's hike or bike through snow time. Hey, are you gonna... No. Ah.
Till this old spring sadness lets us part.
So as soon as we started and saw that there was gonna be a little bit of snow, I was like, oh, it'll probably be totally fine, you know, whatever. But no. This is winter wonderland type bullshit. This is awesome. So it is now pretty much impossible to ride our bikes. So far the snow has done nothing but get thicker. It's pretty excellent. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna get to the next fork. If we think it's just gonna keep climbing and the snow is just gonna keep getting deeper and deeper, then I guess we're gonna have to turn around because there's no way we can sustain this for another 35 miles. Yahoo! All right, so what kind of snacks are we working with? Well, today I brought a mixture of candied fruit, some ginger slices, some apricots, of course some Chips Ahoy cookies. Still getting dark. We're gonna head around. Man, it always gets dark. There's definitely nothing ideal about this. It is absolutely dark. We are absolutely 10 miles away from the car. Oh God. And can't feel my toes. Why are we here? There's no gravel here. I just wanted some gravel. Yeah! So yeah, one thing's for sure, even with the snow, it still gets very dark. So we actually just can't ride our bikes anymore because there's so much snow. We gotta like clear off all of it, otherwise there's too much rubbing. The wheels won't move. Oh man, okay. So we're back in the car. I didn't film anything because it was way too cold. So this is where I'm gonna end the video. Thanks for riding along with us. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like for more adventures like this one. This has been another installment of Evan Rides Bike. Thanks so much. We'll see you next week.
You're hitting my bicycle.